So one of the things that you can work with to go ahead and bring in some variation in stroke is utilize something called the stroke width tool as well. So first of all, for that, I'm going to go ahead and let's say, for example, I'm going to not select the fill color, just the stroke color right here. And then I'm going to increase out the stroke size, let's say, for example, and I'm going to go ahead and click and drag out the stroke right here. Press enter right here, just like this. So now around over here, what I can do is I can utilize something called the stroke width tool. Now, as I go around over here and click and drag, you can see that I can actually go ahead and change around the width of the stroke by clicking and dragging. I can go around over here on the end as well, and then you can go ahead and let's say, for example, click and drag it out right here, just like this. You can click right here as well and resize this out right here, just like this. You can go around and click right here, just like this, click and drag it out right here, and you can see that you can resize out the stroke as you want right here, just like this. So this is what you have. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and click and drag, and then you can change around the stroke how you want. You can even go ahead and click and drag out, let's say, for example, the section right here. You can go ahead and click and drag this out right here, rearrange it as you like as well. So around over here, you can arrange out the stroke like this, or apart from that, you can also go to the stroke section right here. And here you can see the pressure right here. And then you can actually go around over here and use these pressure points right here. You can go ahead and click and drag it to change out how the strokes actually look as well. So this is how you can work around with the detail, as you can see, just like this. You can go ahead and then squeeze this in. And as per this profile, you will be able to see the stroke profile right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the stroke width tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.